Hydraulic fracturing is the stimulation technique of pumping a fluid into underground formation rocks at high pressure to open the rocks, creating a highway path to recover gas and/or oil. The fracturing fluid is commonly gelled water, proppant, and additives mixed together to deliver the proppant into the formation. From late 2019 to early 2023, Abraj Energy Services has performed over 200 hydraulic-propped fracturing operations for petroleum development Oman in multiple areas and formation conditions. It is known that the major challenges of well performance are related to scale and sand production, which become the main hindrance for the client in achieving its production target and maintaining the well's lifetime maintenance cost. It was observed that there was solid evidence of severe scaling formation while the well was producing, which both lowered the productivity and short-lived the upper completion lifetime. The dominant scale type is carbonate scale precipitation at the lower part of the completion, including perforation near the wellbore area and at the upper part to the wellhead. Inorganic scaling mechanisms indicate precipitation starts near wellbore formation up to the surface, which damages the artificial lift completion, while halite can evaporate predominantly at the upper tubular and surface. In other cases, the sand production is incurred in an unconsolidated formation with a lack of rock integrity, with substantial drag force coming from high drawdown pressure and viscous hydrocarbons, which in turn creates a sand production issue. Moreover, the produced sand can cause erosion and wear to downhole components and surface equipment, leading to a potential loss of containment and forcing operators to undertake expensive costs to repair or replacement of wells and production facilities. Abraj Energy Services successfully deployed fracturing treatment with technologies to address the problems above. Propped fracturing treatment with tailed-in of Abraj Frac Chemical Impregnated Proppant, AFCIP. In collaboration with the technology proppant provider, this allowed various chemistry to be impregnated into ceramic pores, including selected scale inhibitors for this project. Abraj Frac Chemical Impregnated Proppant, AFCIP, has engineered interconnected porosity, allowing for an ideal balance of both strength and chemical storage. On tailing and fracturing treatment, the Abraj Frac Chemical Impregnated Proppant were blended to the designated ratio for 3-year protection, rendering to anticipate water production rates out of total gross production, and placed within the near wellbore fracture area to protect the flow path from near wellbore upward from scale precipitation. In post-fracture treatment, the inhibition process was observed with the produced water, where the produced water will be collected and tested regularly to check the inhibition's effectiveness. Dealing with sand production issue, Abraj Energy Services, promoting higher flow area with tip screen-out fracturing to lower average drawdown cross-fracture area, and improve near wellbore integrity with tailed-in of Abraj Frac Chemically Coated Proppant, AFCCP, which is self-consolidated proppant technology that can be self-activated at any pressure and temperature condition. AFCCP provides self-bonding activation between proppants without reduction of original proppant conductivity, providing significant uniaxial compressive strength for near wellbore integrity to prevent both proppant flowback and formation sand production. AFCCP technology is pumped with a custom-designed activator, which is immediately adsorbed into the proppant to consolidate proppants together. This technology solution was further highlighted in Society of Petroleum Engineers paper, SPE 215627 MS, which describe the successful implementation of a fracturing campaign with these proppant technologies at various wells that contribute to client production enhancement target and prolonged the lifetime of the well, free of scale and sanding issues.